Hi everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I thought about making a little making of video about the way I scored this little animation called Spring. I did this for the contest in case you don't know about it already. It's called Score Relief and it's about a great cause, raising funds for technicians in the entertainment industry. Fundraising is still going. You can donate until the 8th of February, I think. Anyway, the thing is about this score, there really is only 3 musical ideas that I used. The first one is a really small melody. I think it's very efficient to start with something very small. And then to develop it and repurpose it, it starts with the flute. Very simple. And then everyone playing together. There's a little bit of harmony going on, and this one gives it a little bit of a mysterious atmosphere. And this, you're going to find it at least 3 times in this very same form throughout the video. Second time is here. And the third time is going to be the trombone. Okay, so 3 times, different instruments, different moods, it's very effective, and also different harmonies. So that's the first idea, and it helps making this piece consistent and coherent. The second idea that really helped me, and I think you can make this into small tips. So the first would have been use very simple melody lines and develop them. The second tip is don't forget about the rhythm. One of my theory teachers used to say the 3 most important things about music are rhythm, rhythm, and rhythm. I don't think he invented this, but he went on to demonstrate how we could recognize, let's say, Jingle Bells, if he played it on middle C with the right rhythm, but we could not recognize it if he played with the wrong rhythm and the right notes. So anyway, rhythm is really important, and what happens with this scene, the chase scene, I had no idea literally how to score this. After trying different feels and different meters, I ended up with 6/8, 120 tempo and this timpani line, and that's it. I had nothing else. Okay, so the benefits of this, it might not sound like a lot, but this idea gave me a lot of stuff. It gave me a tempo. You might notice I have several hit points in there. It gave me a meter, and it gave me a flow, if I can say so. And after I had this, I immediately wrote this. So you see, the first idea sparked a lot of ideas, and it just came from this timpani line, which is very nothing original and nothing extraordinary. And so after a few hours, I had this. And you see how I connected this scene with the very first melody that you hear in the video. So rhythm is really important. It can get you out of a lot of conundrums. And the third idea was this chord progression I used in the last scene. And that's it, just this little chord progression. Then I had to write little bits and pieces over it. And that's it, guys. It's about everything I had to say about scoring this video. So if I had to summarize, it gets down to 3 things. I think that's my analysis of how I did it. Start with a very small and simple melody and develop it harmonically. Try to milk this idea into several moods. Use instrumentation, use harmony, use rhythm. And the second tip is about this. Rhythm can give you a lot more information than you think. And then if you happen upon a really great chord progression, just loop it. I think it loops 2 times, and it's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chords, and that's it. 6 chords, and you have about everything in the last scene, except for the little solos here and there. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, comment, like the video, and good luck to all participants. If you can, go donate a few bucks to the Hardship Fund. All the links are in the description. Bye bye.